Today we're making keto beef roll-ups. So this is a great easy keto dinner recipe, or you can slice it up and serve this as an appetizer. Great both ways. So to make this recipe, we're going to start with a base of 4 ounces of cream cheese, and make sure that your cream cheese is nice and softened. You can see how easy it is to just make a dent in. That's going to make mixing this up much easier. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, if you're making this in the middle of winter, as I am, and it's quite cold, you can take a whisk to work out the lumps. If the whisk doesn't work to work out the lumps, you can also heat it gently and continue mixing until all of your lumps are worked out. So now we're going to mix in 2 ounces of green chilies, 2 ounces of sliced or diced black olives, and half of a cup of finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese. So we're gonna take our beef, and I got this beef at Whole Foods. They do a nice thick cut on their beef, which makes it a little bit easier to assemble these. So when I weighed each of these slices, they weighed somewhere between 1.5 and 2 ounces each. So you just want to try to portion your filling evenly between 5 to 6 slices. So then I like to start on the thin end and then just gently roll these up. You're going to cut these into pieces. You're going to want to refrigerate these so that they set up real nice. All right, so now we're going to take these and I'm going to place them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before I slice them. You can also just enjoy just like this.